And the race is on. Dragon King from the outside. Janelle's episode. Under Father outside. Islam shot alongside Madame Composita. Shot up. Danori inside Bloodline. And Dancing Tight also rushing up. Dragon King, Dancing Tight, Slam Shot, Janelle's episode. Princess Tokai is racing Pip Danori inside Bloodline shot up Prying Eyes, Madame Composita, Batcom, Danori inside Hamza, Alexis Marty, Gibson, Rude Knight, and Hockey Hawks running at the tail of the field as they race the final corner. Dragon King this time by some 4 lengths. Bloodline Danori inside, Dancing Tight in the middle. Janelle's episode, Slam Shot, Batcom, Danori inside, Prying Eyes, Hamza, Alexis, and finally at a fair line from start to finish, number 2, Dragon King, second Bloodline, Batcom took third, close for fourth, Slam Shot, Prying Eyes, and for your super sa ace, I think number 6.